Marami ka bang dark spots or hyperpigmentation? Tara, discover natin mga treatments na para sa'yo. Hi, my name is Maria, and just a disclaimer, I'm not a dermatologist or a licensed esthetician. I'm just a skincare nerd na mahilig sa mga skincare product at saka sa mga routine, and I'm here to help you avoid the mistakes that I made. Ano nga ba yung hyperpigmentation? Ito ay very common na skin condition kung saan yung ibang area ng skin mo ay darker compared sa iba. Okay, bakit ba tayo nagkaka-hyperpigmentation? Una, from acne, from a sun exposure, hormonal changes, like for example, you're pregnant or if you have a medical condition, or skin injury. What are the different types of hyperpigmentation? So the very common na mga hyperpigmentation ay post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation or from acne, sunspots, and melasma. What are the products that you can incorporate in your skincare routine for your hyperpigmentation? So we have vitamin C serum, azelaic acid, tranexamic acid, kojic acid, yung glycolic acid, and yung pinaka-gold standard when it comes to skincare ay retinol. And most of all, yung pinaka-importante sa lahat, ay mag-sunscreen ka in the morning kasi walang effect lahat ng nilalagay mo if hindi ka naman nagsa-sunscreen. If gusto mo ng mga skincare product recommendation or simple na routine for AM and PM, mag-comment ka lang. And if gusto mo pang i-level up talaga yung pagkawala ng hyperpigmentation mo, meron ka mga professional treatment na pwede mong gawin, katulad ng chemical peel, microneedling, and yung mga lasers. Share ko lang ang experience ko. This was me a year ago. And yung mga scar na nakikita nyo dyan, it's from a needle na injury. And it took me almost a year bago ako bumalik sa skin ko. Although na hindi siya masyadong bumalik talaga from kung ano yung skin ko before. Pero at least nawala na yung mga dark spots sa face ko. So you really have to be patient with your skincare routine. And the result is not overnight. So you have to be patient and consistent. If you have learned something from my video, follow mo ako dito para sa mas marami pang mga skincare tips.